Googletrans stopped working with error NoneType object has no attribute group. I was trying Googletrans and it was working quite well. Since this morning I started getting below error. I went through multiple posts from Stack Overflow and other sites and found probably my IP is banned to use the service for some time. I tried using multiple service provider internet that has different IP and still facing the same issue. I also tried to use Googletrans on different laptops, still same issue. Is Googletrans package broken or something Google did at their end?
Update the 1st of December 2020. This issue re-emerged lately, apparently, caused once again by some changes on the Google Translation API. A solution is being discussed, again, in this GitHub issue. Although there is not a definitive solution, yet a pull request seemed to be solving the problem, this URL. While we wait for it to be approved, it can be installed like this. Original answer. Apparently it's a recent and widespread problem on Google's side. Quoting various GitHub discussions, it happens when Google sends you directly the raw token. It's being discussed right now and there is already a pull request to fix it. So it should be resolved in the next few days. For reference, see this URL, exact same problem reported on the GitHub repo. This URL, seemingly same problem on a text-to-speech library. This URL, pull request to fix the issue. To apply this patch, without waiting for the pull request to be accepted, simply install the library from the forked repo, this URL, uninstall the official library first. You can clone it anywhere on your system and install it globally, or while inside a virtual env.
Update the 6th of December 20. A new official alpha version of Googletrans with a fix was released. Install the alpha version like this. Translation example. In case it does not work, try to specify the service URL like this. See the discussion here for details and updates. This URL. Update the 10th of December 20, another fix was released. As pointed out by @Desikeki and @Ahmed Breen, there is another fix which seems to work for several people. GitHub discussion here, this URL. In case the fixes above don't work for you. If the above doesn't work for you, Google_trans_new seems to be a good alternative that works for some people. It's unclear why the fix above works for some and doesn't for others. See details on installation and usage here, this URL.
Try Google_trans_new. It solved the problem for me. This URL. Pip install Google_trans_new. By the time of this answer, you can solve it with the following. Uninstall your installed version of. Install the following version. I hope this will works for you as it worked for me. You can try it now. Note that 4.0.0 RC1 is using an old version of HTTPX. If you are getting an error regarding that, you need to edit the file client.py. Fix HTTP core.sync transport to HTTP core.async proxy.
HTTP isn't silicon, sorry.